All right, this is the perfect time to show you my hiccup straw. I just started getting the hiccups, so let's check it out. Let's check it out. Here we go. One last hiccup. Apparently, this thing's 92% effective, and it was on Shark Tank and created by a doctor. So let's see. Let's test it. Yeah, I mean, I linked the best price to it below. It's on TikTok Shop right now. They're selling out, so go get one. This is a great gift for the holidays. This is a great gift for anybody. Anybody who you know who has hiccups, you should get this for them because it's so cheap.